Yeah. Hi.
Hi, namaste, namaste.
Namaste, namaste, sir. How are you?
I'm good, so how are you?
I'm good too. So it's
Nice.
all good now?
All good. I am able
Great,
to see
great.
you. I hope you can hear and see me
Yeah,
now.
yeah, perfectly.
Okay. Okay, so guys, just to give a formal introduction of Mr. Tapan Seth, as you all know, he's a very widely known wildlife and nature photographer, especially known for his photography on Asiatic lands. He's a lion man. He clicks awesome pictures of lions. And if I have to talk on him, he's got his first big recognition as in the Nature's Best Photography Asia
Yeah.
2016 award. Then he got Wildlife Reserve Singapore Group Through the Lens 2017 and
Yep.
Nature in Focus Film Awards 2019 Mobile Movements.
Yep, sir.
So he's just superb. So Tapan, welcome to Time Tales and Talks, and thank
Thank
you
you,
so
sir.
much for
Thank
taking.
you for this opportunity.
तो तपन जी ये मैं स्टार्ट सिंपल चीज से करूंगा कि
जी सर।
ये आपकी फोटो की ये जर्नी शुरू कहाँ से हुई, मतलब क्या आपका इंस्पिरेशन था, क्या मोटिवेशन था, या क्या ट्रिगर हुआ, क्योंकि यू आर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ साक्षी इन्फोवे, दैट्स अ वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग एंड
जी
सॉफ्टवेयर
सर।
कंपनी। तो एक
एग्जैक्टली।
साइड आप टेक्नो और दूसरी साइड आपने नेचर की फोटोग्राफी, तो ये कहाँ से ये जर्नी शुरू हुई पूरी?
Right. The thing is that I mean, if I can tell you about my journey, like everyone like to take their own clicks, you know.
हाँ,
So means we were roaming around on the vacations और जैसे हम सब घूमने जाते हैं, right? So at
राइट
that
राइट
time I had a point and shoot camera, Sony,
राइट,
and
ओके,
we were like whenever we are on vacation, we were clicking pictures with those point and shoot cameras.
राइट
But as
राइट,
time passed on and like thoda financially we got good. So at that time I decided, okay, let's buy some good camera. So at that time I got DSLR, and when I bought that camera, I didn't know what is DSLR, what is lens. You can say I didn't know
राइट
anything about camera, like totally illiterate about the camera. So I bought that
राइट,
my camera 550D, that was a Canon body, and I got a
हाँ,
help from one other fellow photographer. Like I need to buy a camera. You can guide me. So I bought a camera, and I didn't know that at that time that we have to buy lenses for the camera. Like क्योंकि वो मन में ऐसा ही रहता था कि कैमरा है तो अपने आप फोटो चली जाती है.
सही
So that
सही,
type of perception we had. So
राइट,
then he told me like if you want to buy a camera, you need to know means क्या click करना है, whatever you want to click, what kind of photography. At that time I told like SI means we just whenever we need to go on vacation, so just need to
हम्म
click a family pictures and everything. So that's
हम्म
how I bought my first camera. And I
हम्म,
right now in wildlife photography, like there is a multiple clicks. So when you press a shutter, it will click around 20 photo per second, I think, as a technology. So at that time, I didn't know that that kind of technology occurs. So whenever I press the shutter, it clicks 4, 5, 6 photos at a time. So I went to the vendor again कि कैमरा में कुछ गड़बड़ है सर, हम एक फोटो क्लिक करते हैं और 8-10 फोटो अपने आप चली जाती है. So that kind of a person I was like when I bought my first camera. And slowly I developed the interest like photography. So I learned about those things, and those how that's why how my journey start. Like I started clicking picture, then few guys, like I went with few guys into the nature, and like they taught me like how to use camera. And apart from that, YouTube is the best teacher nowadays. So I
या,
started learning from YouTube, and that's how the journey started.
क्या बात है, तो मतलब पूरी एकदम सिंपल ही जर्नी, जैसे
Yeah, yeah.
बस सिंपल जर्नी,
Yeah, I
सही,
mean, there was no idea like I like to means I whether I'll be moving to wildlife photography or any kind of other photography. That was only for like a family photo. Like if we go out, then we'll click some photographs. That's it, nothing else.
ओके, ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट। तो सर ये लायंस में कैसे इंटरेस्ट आ गया, शेर में आपका?
Lion ki means if you talk about my photography now, so when I started my journey, so means I didn't know means what kind of photography I'll go for and all those things. So at that time,
Hmm.
I was experimenting many things. Like means
Hmm.
I started some fine art photography, product photography, and all those things. And suddenly on the internet, I saw means water drop photography. It's a like of a high speed photography, if you know. So means a
Right.
drop collision means एक drop पे दूसरा drop गिरता है. So if we can't see it with our naked eyes, but the, there are few shapes are generated. Depends on the drops levels and everything, size of drop and all. So I
Right.
generally that attracted me. So means I developed my own device, means like software. I was into software, so develop a kind of device which
Hmm.
automatically decide the size of water drops and everything. And my camera was clicking a kind of a 1,000 per second or millisecond kind of a stuff. So that's how I started my water drop photography. But you know, man, and I think I was the first one means who were like was doing a kind of photography in India, and many publications were there regarding water drop photography.
क्या बात है, क्या बात
Yeah,
है.
and generally, and that time I means that was very time consuming. Like if I'm continuing my work and all those things, so means only at night I was getting a time. So that was a bit difficult to concentrate on that. So then I started a nature photography. So when I started the nature, I was not sure about like where I move on. I started with bird photography, insect photography. But
Hmm.
those are the things I was clicking on because our nearby area of Rajkot, I was going with friends like on weekends. I was moving with my friends and clicking all those things. Then suddenly someone told me that Gir is nearby. Why don't you go there and click photos? So again, it was a family tour. Like there is no intention about wildlife photography or a particular kind of photos shoot or something. And we went on the
Hmm.
photography tour, and I showed the lions for the very first time at that time. And
Hmm.
you know, like
Hmm.
if you see the movies, even in the Bollywood movies, like people see something and you know, background music started like la 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 la. So those kind of waves when I saw the lion. So those,
मतलब नेचुरल.
yeah. So those guitars were already playing like in the background when I showed the lion for the very first time. And at that time, I decided like this is something which I attracted to nature, and means I'll go for this. Means whatever it will be, but I'll go for the wildlife photography. So that's how my journey started.
वाओ, वाओ. मतलब नेचुरली आप शेरों की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो गए और नेचुरली ये
Yeah,
पूरा
right.
कोर्स बैठ गया.
Yeah, after
वंडरफुल,
that, I
वंडरफुल.
also clicked the bird, means I went for bird photography also. I started with macro photography, means we can click the insects, but somehow I attracted to big cats like lions, leopards, tigers. So those are the big cats attracted me a lot. So
राइट.
my direction went there and I started like, means I love to do a big cat photography if you ask me particularly.
ओके, वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल. तो सर ये आप जो ये वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी करते हैं, मतलब जंगल में जाना, और कई बार हमने पढ़ा है ये और देखा भी है कि एक एक फोटो शूट करने के लिए, एक पर्टिकुलर पोज क्लिक करने के लिए कई कई घंटों तक इंतजार करना पड़ता है. तो
जी
ये जो स्ट्रगल्स होते हैं, एक फोटोग्राफर की लाइफ के जो स्ट्रगल्स होते हैं, तो
जी.
आपने कौन कौन से स्ट्रगल्स ऐसे फेस किए और कितनी आपको पेशेंस कितना रखना पड़ा है ये पर्टिकुलरली वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी में?
See, regarding the struggle, you need to means you have to update it with the systems like camera के साथ updated रहना पड़ता है. Means always you have to be aware with the cameras and all the things. Like if you go in the nature, like battery पूरी तरह charge है, camera आपका well set है. Otherwise, what happened? There is a moment, rare moment in front of you, and your camera didn't work and you didn't get the click. So
सही,
all things
सही.
wasted. And many times you went into the jungle and you'll come with the zero photos. Like आप बार बार जंगल में जाओ, and
हम्म.
like if you have seen the picture Sherni nowadays, that's a good movie by Vidya Balan. So like
हाँ,
there
अभी
is a
अभी.
yeah, जी.
हाँ
सो उसमें एक बहुत ही अच्छा डायलॉग है कि आप 100 बार जंगल में जाते हो तो शेर आपको एक ही बार दिखता है, बट 99 टाइम्स शेर आपको दिखता है। Yeah. So
सही।
those kind of things, like if you go to the jungle, animal will see you, but you don't know whether they are there or not. So that is the main thing. Patience is the key in the wildlife photography. Like you wait for hours and hours. Like one incident I'll tell you. Like there is a place called Little Run of
हम्म।
Kutch. It is nearby Dhangadra, Surendranagar ke paas, right?
राइट
So it
राइट
is
राइट।
famous,
हाँ
yeah. It is very famous for eagles, falcons, but the kind of raptors you can say. It's a wildest sanctuary. So we'll see
हाँ।
Gudkar, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. And there you can see hyenas also and fox is also. Means desert fox, लोकड़ी जिन्हें આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ. Right?
हाँ हाँ बराबर बराबर।
So
राइट।
a few of my friends went there and they told me there is a good sighting of a desert fox. So if you want,
हम्म।
you can come down. So they
राइट
clicked the photograph and they went to the city. And next day I decided that they had a very good sighting. So I went to the place and the whole day means it's a desert. Kutch nu રણ જે નાનું રણ કહીએ, it's like in the summer, March, April.
राइट
I
राइट
waited for
राइट।
the whole day and I didn't get a single sighting of a fox.
अरे बाप रे।
So it happens. Means it's all about your luck and the timing how when you went over there. So it's all about patience. Like you do 100 safaris and you didn't get a single click of a lion. You know there is a now very famous Black Panther. It's it's in Kabini, Karnataka. So we went there like several times,
ओके।
but we didn't find a panther for a single time. And the people who went only for one time and they'll get the fantastic photo of that Black Panther.
हाँ
So it's all
राइट
about
राइट राइट।
luck and patience. Like you have to be patient when you need a photograph. Like if you are looking for a particular event or a kind of photograph, then people are waiting for years and years or months and months. There is one very famous award, like it's an Oscar for the wildlife photography. It's a photographer
हाँ
of the year from BBC. So
ओके।
yeah, if you see the photograph there, people's been waiting to get the photograph for years and months. Like when they tell their story, you'll get to know that for a single photograph, they waited
हम्म।
around a year or 6 months or something like that, and then only they'll get the single photograph.
मतलब स्ट्रगल तो बहुत है, मतलब लक पे भी है और
Right,
आपका स्ट्रगल बहुत, पेशेंस तो बहुत चाहिए। आई
exactly.
मीन हाँ। तो सर आपने जैसे ये इंसिडेंट शेयर किया कि ये ब्लैक पैंथर वाला, तो ऐसे कोई मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके रहे हो कि आप वहां गए, ये क्लिक हुआ या ये स्ट्रगल हुआ या ऐसा कुछ, सब कुछ मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस जो आपकी फोटोग्राफी में जर्नी में आपने किए हो?
See, regarding that, I must say, means I'll start with the incident from my recent trip when I went to the
हाँ
Sarsangir. Like,
राइट
it's a very rare incident. बहुत ही कम लोगों को देखने को मिलता है, kind of a thing. Like we witnessed. बाकी means Masai Mara and Africa, you will get this kind of photo. बट वहाँ
राइट
पे क्या है कि दोज एरियाज आर डिफरेंट. वहाँ पे सब प्लेन एरिया है. यहाँ पे इट्स नॉट लाइक बुशिश एंड dense areas. So you can watch the animal easily. Means they are front of you and plain area. Means पूरा मैदान जैसा रहता है. So you'll get easy to get photograph. And यहाँ पे
राइट
हमारे जंगल में they are means dense. दोनों तरफ झाड़ियाँ रहती है. Means dense
हाँ
area वगैरह. So this time when we went in March, a couple of friends were there and we were waiting for the lions. And a day before yesterday means came to know like there is a sighting of a cub and lioness, and the cub is very little, means I hardly 10, 12 days or maybe 15 days around. So we'll
हम्म
get a chance to see that cub. And we waited like abhi aapne bola patience is more required.
हम्म
And like almost a safari time about 2 hours. So few people are means moving from there, then that let's get chance somewhere else if we spot the lion. And we were stuck there. Means mila to mila, otherwise theek hai. And we found that
हम्म
the lioness were coming from the hill she's getting down with her taking her cub in his mouth. It's a very rare event. Like वो lion अपने बच्चे को मुंह में लेके Asiatic lion means जो अपने यहाँ के lions है. It's a very rare moment. Hardly few people get having the kind of photograph, and that is also rare. Means whenever these lioness take the cubs, they grab them for neck, and she was literally hanging it with one leg.
Okay.
So that was so that was a very rare moment I got. So like people are waiting for that moment like from years and several years, but we got after I started in 2013, so it's to 2021. So in 8 years I got that photograph for the very first time.
Okay, okay, wonderful, wonderful. ऐसे कुछ और experience आपके साथ?
Apart from that, there are few experiences like when we were shooting some photographs in Africa. So there was one tusker, like it's a with huge tusk and very big elephant was there, and he was already near to our car. Means I was not means my lenses are useless. He was slow close, so we cannot get the photograph from that. So I was started shooting with my mobile, and you know when the animals are afraid from you, they'll do the mock charge. मतलब ऐसे ही आपको डराने के लिए they charge on you. So that animal charge means like I did a mock charge, a kind of a warning, and that I shot on my mobile. So that phone means that video I got on the mobile award, and it was published on several places also, in the news also, and the few of newspapers as well.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है सर.
Apart from that, means for me, you know, whenever I'm in the jungle, that is all the memorable time for me. Means either I get the sights of a lion or any animal or not, but especially when I'm in gear, it's like a kind of a heaven for me, whether I get the sightings or not.
Right, right, right. तो सर ये तो सब आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस है, पर अगर ये प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन को देख, कोविड की सिचुएशन, एक साल से तो ज्यादातर है गोइंग आउट, तो ये सिचुएशन ने आप फोटोग्राफी को, इस फील्ड को कैसे, हाउ मच इट हैज अफेक्टेड?
So like see, if you see sir, like because of the COVID, it's a kind of a, it's beneficial and kind of a loss for everything. Means same thing kind of each people. Like if you can see for the positive kind of a way, you'll see people get, means they're staying in home, they are spending good time with the families, and the animals also, like you know, they get a kind of a atmosphere, like free kind of stops, and they are roaming around. So a kind of a break everyone were needed. But if you go for the negative aspects, like so means the guides and drivers and all the people who are based on the wildlife tourism, so they are suffering a lot.
Right. Right.
So what we do, like all the photographers community and all other people who are working for like NGOs and all, so they are helping. So it's the situation has to be handled in the way like no one can suffer. But at this pandemic, like हम इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हाँ घर पे रहना है, and the government shut few parks regarding the same, like all the jungles were shut down and no one was allowed to move in. Like means you have to stay at home. So best part is you can gain the knowledge about the species which you are looking for. And we cannot do anything. Means that's the thing you have to be follow.
Right. तो सर मैं एक और क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, वो है कि अभी बहुत से यंगस्टर्स फोटोग्राफी में आ रहे हैं, मतलब उनको एक फोटोग्राफी का पैशन चल रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिमाग में चल रहा है, और जब से I saw this trend, क्योंकि being interacting with the youngsters and in the seminars, workshops for all, तो मैं ये जब बातें करता हूँ, तो जब से वो 3 Idiots में वो एक ट्रेंड आया कि मैं फॉलो करूँ वाइल्ड लाइफ फोटोग्राफी का, तो वो चले जाते हैं, बट दे डोंट एक्चुअली हैव एन आइडिया कि ये फील्ड क्या है, कैसे इसमें आना है. तो if you can give some tips to this budding photographers, if they want to become wildlife photographers, तो कहाँ से शुरुआत करें, कैसे करें, क्या करें, मतलब थोड़ी सी टिप्स अगर आप उनको दे सके तो.
जी सर, सबसे पहले I mean the very first thing which I want to point out is if you are looking for your bread butter, like if you are looking for a handsome income, if you are looking for a kind of a money earning kind of thing from wildlife photography, then it's very tough. You know, photography itself a kind of a expensive hobby, and like if you go for the camera, and apart from that, wildlife photography, so you need to travel a lot, you need to upgrade your gears according to the situation. So if you are looking for bread butter, means your main bread butter from wildlife photography, so that's very tough, because nowadays technology is fast, and many, like, you know, in India, it's, I don't know what to say exactly, but it's very tough to earn from wildlife photography. Yeah.
Right.
If you are pursuing as a hobby, then like you can, or we can say side, you can go for the photography. Right. And abhi kya hai ki means nowadays, because of the technology and all the stuff, heavy gears are there. So people don't know which camera they want to buy. Like सबको ऐसा है कि हाँ एक hi-fi camera ले लिया, अच्छा सा lens ले लिया, so we can get the good photograph. So it's like, you know, you don't know how to drive a Mercedes, और आपने सीधा ले लिया. But when you bang your Mercedes, so आपको, you know what kind of expenses you're going to suffer. Right?
Right.
So better to start with means a basic level camera if you are pursuing as a hobby. So start with the basic camera and gain the knowledge. Like, and as you are growing and as your knowledge is grow, then you can update yourself with the cameras and gears. So that they can move, like,
right.
You know, and don't. The best thing is don't like nowadays. You know, people are crazy for social media. Means. Maybe abhi, if I say now, maybe if you photographers also don't like, even my wildlife photographers or any other photographers, but अगर आप social media बंद कर दो ना, तो कम से कम 50% photographer कम हो जाएंगे.
सही है, सही.
So
सही
don't run, means don't get a craze. Means if you are pursuing a wildlife photography, then don't run for those likes and comments and अभी people लोगों को क्या रहता है, मैंने फोटो डाली वेबसाइट पे, मींस इंस्टाग्राम पे डाली, यहाँ पे डाली, मींस एंड एवरी मींस लाइक दे आर कॉन्शियस अबाउट लाइक किसका लाइक है, कितने के लाइक्स हुए. सो द बेस्ट थिंग इज दैट कि यू लुक फॉर द पर्सन, नॉट फॉर द लाइक. हाँ, आपके 10 लाइक्स है, ठीक है, बट वो देखो कि 10 लाइक किस लोगों ने की है, इंस्टेड ऑफ दोस 1000 लाइक्स, दोस 10 लेजेंड्स हु हैव लाइक योर फोटो and who commented on your photo, that will be more important for you instead of those likes and all those things. So the best advice is that means start with the basic gear, and instead of photography, gain the knowledge. To be honest, I'll tell you, I have seen many legends. Means you know, there is one person, Mr. Yogendra Shah. Whatever I have learned, I learned from him only. Excuse me. So whatever I have learned from them only.
Sorry.
Yeah, there is one photographer called Sachin Rai. You know, if you know the knowledge of those people now, instead of photography, so they'll tell you each and everything. They'll tell you each and everything. Like if you ask them, and they'll tell you, apart from the photograph also. So they have a knowledge of those species. Like their reading are too much. So the best thing is that when you are doing the photography, also gain the knowledge. So knowledge is also means will help you. Means when you in the forest or somewhere, you'll know. Means means from the experience I can learn. So when I am photographing a lion, so I can predict like abhi wo uthega, now he will yawn, now he'll walk. So those are the things which can keep you busy.
Right.
Yeah, right. And reading is also a same important thing in the wildlife photography.
Right, sir. So I would like to thank Babu sir here, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया, क्योंकि अगर वो इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करवाते
जी
तो आप उसके साथ मुलाकात नहीं होती. एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आया था कमेंट सेक्शन में कि when are you planning anything for Jawai? Somewhere Jawai, that question was there. क्या आप वहाँ पे जाने का प्लान? Any plan for Jawai?
Jawai, sir, Jawai is a place in Rajasthan. It's specially for leopards. तो वो क्या एक हिल जैसा एरिया है जहाँ पे
Right.
leopards are sighted. So it's a kind of a photography thing. So maybe someone asking for that.
Yeah, someone has asked for that. Okay, any plans for Jawai or not? I was just looking at the questions. Okay, comments में कोई question आया तो this was a very particular question. I thought let me ask you. Right. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. आपने इतना time निकाला out of your busy schedule,
Thank you,
and
sir.
we got some really deep insights. And to all the
Thank you,
viewers,
sir.
this is going to remain on IGTV, so you can come anytime and you can have a view at your leisure. सर एक बार आपके साथ फोटोग्राफी का और एक और एक्सपीरियंस हमें करना है, तो एक बार मैं फिर आपको
Sure, sir. Sure.
कॉल करूंगा इसके बाद
Sure,
जानने
sir.
के लिए, क्योंकि
And thank you.
that
Thank
really
you.
touched me.
Thank you for this opportunity. I think my voice is collating with you.
No issues, sir. Your voice is coming
Yeah.
clearly, not an issue.
Okay, good.
Ah.
आप anytime
So
you can
thank
call
you
me,
so
sir, whenever you want.
डेफिनेटली. और आप तो सुरेंद्र नगर से, मेरा जन्म सुरेंद्र नगर में है, तो
अच्छा, sir, I also born and brought up in Surendranagar only.
I was born in Surendranagar, brought up in Rajkot. My father was serving as a doctor there in Vadwan, so I was born there.
My mother is a doctor also in Surendranagar.
अच्छा, oh, okay. Sure. So
She was serving as a Ayurvedic doctor in Surendranagar.
okay, my father was a gynec in Siyusha Hospital in Vadwan. He was a
Got
gynec.
it.
So
Great,
I was
sir.
born, and मेरा ननिहाल भी वहीं पे है और ससुराल भी वहीं पे है.
Same
So
with me, sir.
so whenever I'll surely get in touch with you, because there are
Sure,
many
sir.
things. Surely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for taking out time,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you for your opportunity.
Thank you, sir.